What do you think, girls? It's so big compared to our
it makes
existing
it look
TV.
like a baby TV and a theater TV. It makes it look
Mm-hmm. We've installed the whole TV. Hi, welcome to Tell a Friend. Right now, Tella and Ria are outside at the study. They're doing their summer homework, which they do every morning. But soon, they're in for a surprise. We just decided to upgrade our TV, so we're getting a really big TV delivered for the living room. And they kind of know vaguely that they're getting a TV because what's happening is the living room TV will come into my room to replace this TV here. And this TV will end up going into the girls' room. So they are going to have a TV in their room for the first time, but without access to unlimited cable and all that. They're just going to have a machine that Jeremy installs that we will be controlling. But I just got a call that the men who are installing the TVs will be arriving earlier than we thought. So I am going to surprise them. Wow, it's yeah. What do you think, girls? It's so big compared to our
it makes
existing
it look
TV.
like a baby TV and a theater TV. It makes it look
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then they can see him. Yeah, but I want to see the screen.
Our TV looks so small. This is huge. It's like a bed. And look at all these holes in our wall.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Ria? Mommy's TV is gonna go on the wall in the girls' room. I can't believe it. Are you happy? The living room TV is done. And now the men are working on the other two TVs. So nice. And there's the new TV in my room. Very nice. And we have the box for our TV outside in the balcony because we're gonna keep it for a week just in case there's something wrong with it, and then we will throw it away. And there's the TV in the girls' room. They finally got their own TV. Okay, so we've installed the whole TV and the girls are watching Totally TV on YouTube. Do you like it, girls? It's really big. And we just took a picture and sent it to Daddy.
She does have two eyes.
We've set up the TV.
No.
And the girls are having their first TV session with the new TV.
Well, since you're here, why don't you just come try on the shoe?
Okay, then.